Hey guys, this is Nikita, and so I know I just made a video, and you probably are done like seeing my face or whatever, but I'm really still bored, and I'm still trying to get over like what's going on right now, so I'm going to sing. And those of you that have seen my singing videos right now are probably going, please. No, but like, as I said before, my camera makes me sound terrible. Like, I'm honestly not that bad of a singer. Like, I'm not gonna like try to sound conceited or whatever. But like, I've been in like acting. I've auditioned for things with songs, and I've gotten like big roles. Um, I'm not that awful of a singer, and my camera just made me sound pretty much like awful. And my friend said like if you are farther away from the computer or farther away from the camera, I mean, you sound better. So yeah, but I'll try this out. But I'm going to sing "Payphone" by Maroon 5. No making fun. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I'll try to remember the people we used to be. It's harder to picture that you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it, but it's too late to try. And all the time you wasted, all the bridges burned out. I've wasted as you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called in love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. You turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave your love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You said you took me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know it before all the bridges burned down. I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'd be sick. I'm at a payphone. Still all this money while you stand around. Wonder why and you who came nothing. Don't know the part. I honestly don't remember the part at all of the song. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'd be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Alright, so yeah, I can really mess up in the a couple times, and also whenever the flip, like, I don't understand, like, I don't know, maybe that was the rap part, because I don't know the rap part, honestly, but, I hope that sounds good, because, yeah, alright, so, tell me what y'all think, and if you guys like it, then, like, put more up, and, yeah, okay.